Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with something really cool. This is the Shirogorov F95 NL here with me for a quick review, but hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content right over here. This should be also like, of course, classic black Shirogorov box. In this case, for like a little bit older versions, you're gonna find the paper certificate with some Shirogorov pretty cool stamp and the microfiber cloth, and of course the knife, which in this case is the F95 NL carbon fiber inlays. The inlays have a pretty cool texture going on with these radiused grooves, which is going to add some nice texture and grip to the handle. And this is, of course, a titanium frame lock with an overall length of 8.75 inches and 3.85 inch long blade and 5 inch long handle. So really, really cool titanium frame lock. Classic F95 deal going on over here. It's a flipper, titanium frame lock, M390 steel. This guy is running on single row bearings, and you can check it right over here. There's some engraving. There's no internal skeletonization. This is not the R version. It's just the NL version, but still, it's pretty amazing one. The action, of course, is just gorgeous. Fantastic feel in the hand. It has a great grip, great ergos. Area here, it's fantastic to disengage the lock bar, stainless steel lock face insert. You have a very cool designed pocket clip with this beautiful dual chamfer going on, screwed in from the outside. Standoff going on over here, blade absolutely centered. It's a beauty, guys. Like, the action is just super smooth, fantastic. Really, really cool indeed. This guy will have like the full weight, let's say, of the classic F95 because there's no internal milling, and it's gonna be weighing in at 4.9 ounces, so nothing too crazy in terms of weight saving, but it's a classic. It's sleek, it's beautiful. The sound this guy makes, really, really cool indeed. Ergonomics, fantastic, really cool action. Like, look at this. I mean, it's really, really a cool one. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.